Hello everyone and welcome back to Retell AI Beginner series. Previously we have covered the conversation. We are covering a conversation where we have covered the greeting step and the problem resolution flow for a chat. So the second step would be different for different businesses. If you like for dental, maybe you don't need a DC step, or maybe you need to use a knowledge base here, and just say if any customer want to ask about the hours, the timing, about the other information related to business, we can simply uh, use a knowledge. The third one is the where we book the appointment. So that's the booking flow. When someone calls, they want to book an appointment, or let's say calling for a PC issue, and the technician need to go there, and then for this they can. So in the booking appointment workflow, this is a step three, and you can see we have step three, and then we have sub steps. Step. So it will be good when you have different details you need to gather. The first thing I want agent to do is to check the availability. Uh, where it check the available? It's on calendar. So we can use Google Calendar or cal.com, which is like a calendar. And to add a calendar, you need to go to functions. And in the functions, you can see we have these function here, check availability calendar. How we can use is we need to go to add, and then you can see we have a different built-in function here. So we can end call transfer, agent transfer, then check calendar availability. So once you click on it, you got a name, you have some description why to use this tool, and then API key. So API key is used to connect with the calendar. So you need to go to cal.com, you can see, and if I show you, you can go to cal.com, and once you go to setting, you will see we have an in the developer section we have it. Once you click, okay, so once you go to API key, you can create an API key here, and the next thing is the event ID. So this is a calendar ID, and once you go to calendar, you can, so in the API key you can create a new API key, and then you can give it a name. And for to go back, so we need an event ID, and you can select one of the calendars. Let's say I'm selecting this one. So when you click it, you see we have an event ID. So you can use this ID, copy this ID, and then paste it here. And then time zone would be the calendar. You can select calendar time zone or make it optional because time zone is selected on the calendar. So now you have this function added. So now we are saying check availability, call check availability calendar. This tool, and then offer two dates option. So when he called this tool, they would get some slots available in the calendar, and then we are asking the agent then date option. For example, we are giving an example. So I have got like Tuesday at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. One works better. So we are giving two times. We can say that we have options from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. until we can do also, but this all depends on use case. Depend on, so let's say we want agent to provide two times, and once date is chosen, offer two times. So yeah, Tuesday or Wednesday, which one better for you? This is for date, and then one date is chosen like Tuesday, offer two times slot for that. So then they both rejected. So let's say you can offer Tuesday or 2 p.m. or 4 p.m., but customer want that he wants 5 p.m. instead. Then you need to go back to check availability, or maybe check at the specific time. Which now once the Customer is select the date, for example 3 p.m. Now we need to collect the details. We are asking the step 2, which is collect details. So we will have, then what's your name, then address, then what's your service address, and then phone. Use built-in number, do not. So this number is coming from when someone call your agent number, your then, uh, customer number already got into this variable, this variable, and then you can. We are not giving example. We are saying email. As you can see, we here and details. So once we collect the details, we need to book this. We need to go to functions, and function you can see we have standard. So the same thing you need to get API key, event ID, once you give it, created. Let me and we want agent to say these things before the client. So we are saying 1 second, let me get talk to you, then it will call. So you can see we have this thing. You can add it that will be the agent to invoke the tool way. And the fourth is the confirm. Once appointment is booked, okay, so your that will be date and time. So you can use this bracket and then provide it time or name which you want to use so that agent will use this and they will reach out for the. So this is the appointment step. So now appointment is booked. What we need to do, we need to want agent to close the conversation. For this, we'll go back to closing and ask if they need something else. Before closing, we want agent to say, is there anything else help I can help you with? If yes, then after we can use what he wants to ask. If no, say add a first name which is in variables. If you double curly bracket, you can see the name, current time, year, then and so this is a function we are using and call. So you need to use it. It's already built. Okay, as you can see, we also have the emergency over. We are using uh, emergency like gas, running plus medical, then do not ask because we want to transfer the call to human. You can see we have function call. We go there, we can see we have call transfer, and then in description here is transfer to static destination or. So for static destination, let's say we are using this, then you need to provide the number of the person you want agent to transfer. Then there are different things available like whole transfer, which will be later on using. So yeah, okay. So like we're giving instruction to let me cancel. So this will. So this is the full agent we have built. Um, Next step, word I will give you a demo